welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diam J. I hope you guys have been well. I've been great. Just been super busy. Recently my son had his 4th birthday, and also my parents celebrated their 30th anniversary. And me and my husband also celebrated our 5th wedding anniversary. So just been super busy, all great things. Also, an update on our house. It's about to be finished. They have us closing at the end of May, so we are super excited about that. So today I just plan to vlog, go to like some home stores. I think I'm gonna start off with HomeGoods today and just kind of see where the day takes us. I'm actually rolling with my mom again today. We haven't really done a lot of home shopping recently just because I've been so busy. So I'm just excited to get out there today and just to see what the store has to offer. I plan on maybe going to like Value City. I seen this this bed for my son that I just want to take a peek at, maybe if I get some time. But other than that, I'm just going to vlog today. I may vlog this weekend depending on what we have going on. But yeah, just come with me if you're interested, and we'll talk later. Bye. I'm gonna do a quick outfit of the day. So my shirt is from Pakistan. My olive green sweatpants are from ASOS. My Nike ones, shattered backboards, and then this bomber from Zara. This stuff is a couple years old right here. And I also got this pouch from ASOS, North Face pouch. just arrived to Target, and I'm about to see what they got. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Alright, so we are done at Target. I got some pots and pans for the new house, and some bed spray, and I think that was pretty much it. Some other little stuff for our house right now. And we are about to head home because my mom is tapped out for today. So yeah, so I'll probably continue to vlog tomorrow, but until then, talk to you guys later. Bye.